LUTs are color lookup tables. They can reduce the number of colors used in total, but sometimes less is more. The first step is to find some LUTs and then find the download button. Let's get these. Let's get a bunch of these. Let's get this one. Here, download LUT. Thank you. And this one, I guess. Okay, let's extract it all. Wonderful. Now all of these have their own folder structures. You deal with that once you decide which ones you like. Anyways, let's just copy the path. Let's go to Shotcut. Let's select the clip you want to apply a color lookup table to. Add a filter. Type in LUT. It's LUT 3D. Make sure you're not in audio. Apparently it doesn't matter actually. That's good to know. Pick LUT 3D. Click open. Put here the path where the files are and start searching. I don't think it matters whether it's Photoshop or Premiere. Let's give it a try. Cyan Teal Orange 2. And you can enable and disable this checkbox to see the difference. There is quite some difference, isn't there? Now the problem here in this sequence is that I have lots of small clips, so let's not do that like that. Let's copy this. And let's click on V1 and let's paste it in here. And now let's remove it here. Alright, so now we can apply it to the entire track. And test it quickly. Let's see, does it look nice here as well? Not as much. Let's just press open to try out a different one. Basic. And enable. Definitely nicer for this scene. Actually, yeah, this is an enhancement. Cool. As for here, maybe. Here, I don't know. Open, try another, warm. Enable, yuck. Yuck. Not bad. Actually pretty good. Let's try a completely different one. By the way, we are now using warm. Let's try the one for DaVinci. I don't think there's going to be any difference. Oh, there is a difference. Okay, don't use the DaVinci ones, I guess. Let's try over here. Something for something. Cube. Click. Okay. Cold. Dark. Weird. Sedona. Let's try the 3DL. Sedona log. Sedona standard. Sedona vlog. Yeah, let's go for the standard one. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, little bit better. Looking way too dark. Oof. Okay, we just keep on going because there's lots of LUTs to look at. Humble. Let's look at some humble LUTs. Standard. Okay. Kind of very bluish, but not bad, I guess. I think this needs a lot of more brightness. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Copy that. And paste. Okay, no, that doesn't work yet. Click paste, click paste. Well, anyways, this is how you apply LUTs in Shotcut. I will put links to these annoying downloads in the description. If you know of a way to get lots of LUTs without the frustration, please let me know. I will see you next time. Ciao.